P?
Oh,
And the gate? Okay. Let me see.
I always watch you, man.
Already. He say he always watch me, y'all. I gotta go back around there and get him a hat.
TikTok.
Oh, you found me on TikTok?
Yeah.
Damn, boy, TikTok do be traveling.
I'm from Guatemala.
Who? Guatemala? Damn, you were watching me in Guatemala? Damn. Man, he all the way in Guatemala watching me, man. Golly, I ain't know it was all the way out there. Damn, he said Guatemala. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Yeah, I drive. Look out, look out. For all my people that want to see it in HD, y'all check out my YouTube channel. Look at Bobby Bryant. I don't know what's wrong with him, y'all. It ain't right. I don't know who toned that juice. Something ain't right. Damn. Where the boy from Guatemala go? Oh, there you go. I'm finna go. Oh, that was Tyler, man.
Alright, tailgate. I see you in the lane. Tailgate. You should be in the lane.
I know she's gonna get freaks.
Bobby Bryant, he probably 30 minutes behind on the video. They ain't sending me none on chat. Hey. Chicken footage, man. It's your POS.
Hey, I ain't judging. I'm not judging at all. Are you sure? No, I'm not.
Yeah, he said he ain't judging. Somebody said block Bobby Bryant. Look out, look out, look out. Jacory Brooks say, dang, I done went to the club and everything, and you still on here? Yeah. How much was it for you to get in the club? How much did you spend the night going out to the club? That's the regular question. Jacory, I know you paid, what, 20 to get in? How many drinks you get? Did you have to pay for parking? Did you get something to eat? Huh? Oh, Bobby Bryant on here. He can see now, y'all. He said, block me then. Damn. Y'all done pissed Bobby off. In a minute. How long you need? When you need it? What shit? Oh, soon as possible here. You can. 18? Nigga, that ain't soon as possible. Hell no. You made me unhook my shit. Hell no. I'll see you in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
What? Maybe it lasts a little bit longer.
20 minutes. Oh, I wonder is you the blonde they was talking about. I could not find out who they was talking about.
What blonde?
They was talking about a blonde. They talking about, man, that blonde. I was like, what the fuck?
I was talking
I could not find her. They wasn't talking. You need a souvenir? Man, you know I'm trying to get to this money, man. God dang, everybody want. Wait until I get a sponsor, man. Let me find this dude. He gotta reach around though. Oh, snap. Damn, too much. I should have stayed and watched your YouTube. Damn, he said he spent too damn much. He should have stayed and watched my YouTube channel. Damn. Shit, I'm trying to get as much as you spent here in donations. So you should have stayed on here and donated that to me. Now you broke and can't donate. Shit, yeah, you should have stayed at home, fool. Now I gotta beg from the rest of these people and hope they feeling generous and wanna PayPal me, Apple Pay, or Cash App. Damn, I thought you was finna come through. Oh, Bobby Bryant said he current on the live. It's something, I don't know. It gotta be something wrong on your side, Bobby. You need to turn your phone off, turn it back on, or turn all the apps off, close them, and come back in. Cause there's too many other people on here. Clue, you a club person? Where old boy go?
Yeah, you want
God damn, did he disappear? And I'm looking for this dude that wanted a hat. I forgot where the hell. Yeah, I'll be going to the club. I'll go up there in a minute. Hey, Mira! There you go. Oh, boy from Guatemala be watching me in Guatemala. Oh, excuse me. Mira, you gotta figure out which one you want now, man, because I don't know which one. Okay. Man, everything I got in there. It might be a black in there. You gotta turn your light on. You ain't got no light. Let me see. Matter of fact, hey y'all. Don't worry about it, Bobby. We finna go ahead and turn it off, man. We done had fun enough. It's 3:30 on this side. I appreciate my donators. I sure appreciate all the people that donated. All three of y'all. All three of y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all looking out for Lookout. So, y'all stay tuned. I might go live tomorrow. I ain't gonna be telling what time it's gonna be. But shit, I'll be live. I don't know. Y'all have y'all a good night. Good